Life's a fragile thing here. One minute you're chewing on a burger, the next minute you're dead meat.
What we do here is go back.
Those guys move.
I feel like we're going that fast.
No, we're not.
All right. Okay, and all right. Sunny days at Croom. It's always the same scene. These guys waiting on me. What's happening?
What's up, Chuck?
Is this everybody for us? Okay. All right. We were waiting on AJ. Took a little test hit, but he's been gone a while. So we're super impatient. We're gonna skedaddle, see if we can't find him. Chances of that are about 5%. Ah, I'm getting a nod from Jim. Woo! All right. Oh, Jimbo's super nervous today. Doesn't want to take the same track and get called out on the... Oh, he's going different. Look at him go. Thank you, Jim. Oh, what a breath of fresh air. And look who's in front of me today. That's Steve. Steve kissed a tree several months back. Decided to make a little sweet love to a innocent tree. And the tree made out well. Steve did not. So, glad to have him back. He came back a couple weeks ago and gave us a visit on his road bike, and now this is his first, at least with us, first time back on the old XCW, which is cool. Take it easy on that injury there, Steve. Well, Jimbo doing the change-up today. I am more than impressed. And he's checking to make sure the team is well. Oh, I couldn't decide what gear to go in. Neutral definitely wasn't the right one. Uh-oh. Comes the vines. Here comes the vines. Gotta go outside to get outside the vines. Down the chute, baby. There's a little jump, little lift off down here. If you take it. And I took it. Slippery. Get it, Steve. Don't spin out. All right. Got a little terrain warm-up out of the way. Starting to go into a little field section. Hopefully we don't get too crazy in the field section. Oh, by the way, I tightened my chain so the slappage is to a minimum. Sometimes I do stuff like that. And the bike's running better this week. It's not as humid out. And I think it was my air filter, quite honestly. I had a really old air filter in there and it was falling apart. And there was probably way too much oil on it. And it was loading the bike up a lot last week, plus the humidity right after a rain. So, sounds a little better today. Feels a little better today. I'm not mad. All right. Nice job, Jimbo. I like that.
You go and do something like this and totally redeem yourself.
All right. Don't get crazy now, Jim. Don't get excited. Give you a compliment. Take it easy. Ah, just the right amount of chain slappage. Perfecto. Sunlight in the eyes. Woo! Woo! My pants are falling down. These are new pants and they're falling down. I don't know what it's trying to tell me. I haven't broke them in yet. That's what I'm going with. It still sounds a little thick down below. I might have to do some jetting. Yeah, the seat's pulling my pants down. That's not ideal. I gotta get them hiked up over a certain level. Oh, right there. Well, maybe I shouldn't sit. Keep my pants up. That's a good idea. Woo. Okay. Carnage from branches. There goes Herbie. That was right across the nose. That felt sweet. Sweet! Reeling these guys back in before they get too far away. There we go. There we go. Uh-oh. All that work. Steven let him go. Steven! Why? Why would you do that? Okay. Mark's up front, and then Jimbo, then Grant. The lineup changing up. Wow, that was a kicker. Did you see that? Almost went over the handlebars. That was a unicycle on the front wheel for a minute. All right. get my shit together here.
Hey, is that Jimmy? Jimmy? Jimmy! Oh! There he is! Well, for the record, I am definitely the slowest one here.
For the record.
Yeah.
For the record, you forget who's got a fucking camera on right now.
Well, then you'll see the gap, me getting gapped by the people in front of me pulling away, and me having to do shortcuts and
Talking about these guys.
Right?
Zoop. Like a tractor beam.
Tractor beam.
That was a nice little jumpy jump. Ah, it sounds horrible. I gotta clean this thing up. Jimbo! Right in the face! Uh-oh, another one. Right? Golly. I go above and beyond not to get slapped in the face, only because when I'm editing these videos, all I keep hearing is smack to the camera, and it bugs the shit out of me. Rides right up the spine. Well, there's another one. But it's Croom, so settle down, Scott, settle down. Control what you can control. Spider! Ah! When you feel a spider crawling over your lips, it's not ideal. Slight distraction. Slight distraction. Oh, took the whole branch with him. That was a street sweeper. I thought that was Steve. It is not Steve. All right. Recovery plan, Steve. No.
He's pouting over there.
Huh? I'm just listening.
We'll make him feel better in the next video.
Yeah.
Retribution. It'll be fine.
Everyone's picking on Jim.
Retribution or contribution?
Contribution.
Somebody to pick on.
He's taking a lot worse.
We'll focus on the low brush bitch for now. That some bitch. Low brush bitch. I was talking about, as we were riding, the most annoying thing editing video is the constant camera slap, because it it's aggravating. And then you're up front, so appreciate that. I try to avoid it, but man, yeah, it just takes my head off. Golly. It takes me right off the bike, swinging branches. Well, I heard the warning sign that they're picking the pace up. Let's see how long I can hang on before I make up an excuse for falling off. The trick is not to let them get too far out. You can't win the accordion race. Ooh, didn't expect that. And that's all it takes, my friends. All right, time to reel in. Couple double jumps, and we're back in the game. All right, I got lucky on that one. I'm not revving it behind you, Jimbo. I'm just trying to clean this thing out. It's got a sore throat. Well, that wasn't good. Well, I'm not going to call any blame on that. It's probably my own. I couldn't have got wetter.